Fastener corrosion is one sneaky cause of roof leaks that you definitely don't want to overlook when fixing or installing your roof. So, like, when you're dealing with roof repairs, picking the right fasteners can honestly save you a ton of headaches down the road. Stainless steel fasteners are clutch because they resist rust and corrosion way better than regular steel ones. When fasteners start to corrode, they create tiny gaps that let water sneak in and cause leaks, which is the last thing you want. Make sure you grab fasteners that match the metal of your roofing material. This helps avoid something called galvanic corrosion, where different metals react and speed up rusting. Also, don't skimp on the quantity or quality. Using too few fasteners or cheap ones means your roof isn't held down tight enough and could let water through. When you're installing, make sure each fastener is snug but not over-tightened, because that can damage the roofing material and actually create weak spots. If you ever spot rusted fasteners during maintenance, swap them out immediately with stainless steel ones to keep your roof watertight. And if you live somewhere humid or near the ocean, stainless steel fasteners are even more important since salty air can speed up corrosion big time. One of the biggest mess-ups people make with roofing fasteners is using plain steel nails instead of stainless steel, which leads to rust and leaks. Fix that by always picking stainless steel for your projects. Another common issue is mixing different metal types, like aluminum roofing with galvanized nails, causing galvanic corrosion. The fix here is matching metals or using stainless steel fasteners that don't react badly. Third, people often over-tighten fasteners thinking it's better, but it can crack shingles or other materials. Just tighten until it's secure but still lets the material move a bit naturally. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff about roofing and repairs. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for quality work, making sure everyone gets hooked up with trustworthy pros.